Today, we're learning how to play the piano accompaniment of Stand By Me by Ben E. King in the lower key of G major, which has only F sharp, making this slightly easier to play. Here's middle C for a reference. Left-hand notes are shown in blue, while right-hand notes are displayed in red. We'll start with our left hand. First, place your thumb on the G below middle C. Your pinky should rest comfortably on C, allowing you to access all the other keys in between. We'll play our melodic bass line with G twice, followed by D, F sharp, and G twice again. Then we have G, F sharp, E twice, D, and E twice again. Repeating that again, we have this. Next, we have E, D, C twice, C again, E, and D twice. Then we have D, F sharp, and G twice. And we repeat this again. Let's repeat the second half again. So the entire bass line is this. Take notice of the underlined repeated notes. This will be important later when we play the right hand chords. On the right hand, we'll be playing the chords. Our first chord is G major with B, D, and G played together on the right, which is our first inversion. From this chord, we'll remove the middle note D and replace it with E, which gives us E minor chord with B, E, and D. This is our second inversion. From here, we'll remove our lowest note B and replace it with C, which gives us our C major chord in root position. Keeping this finger shape, we'll move our hand up and play D, F sharp, and A together to give us our D major chord in root position. And then we return to G major chord. Now that we know the chords, we'll play the chords in proper rhythm. For G major, we'll play the chords twice like so. And we'll do this 2 times. Same with E minor. For C major, we'll play the chords twice once. And for D major, we'll play the chords twice once as well. And we return to G major. Remember the underlined repeated notes from before? Whenever we play those notes, we'll play the chords on the right hand. So we have G major, E minor, C major, D major, and back to G major. And playing that in normal speed, we have this. For those who are interested in the tutorial in the original key, you can check out the link to the tutorial in the description below.